learned how to cook using no oil even, but then I realized that you need some amount of oil in your body, which I stopped doing. So I think I realized a lot of things that I was doing.
कौन सी एक्ट्रेस की फिटनेस लेवल से envious हो? Not jealous, but like just envious of somebody's body.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many. Deepika and Katrina, I
Yeah.
mean,
I think
like
super
how?
fit.
They're just, I think they work really hard at it, and they're just gifted
Yeah.
also.
And also they
But
like
it's-
got such a beautiful height.
That's exactly.
Yeah.
That's the
So I
thing.
think they
They've
suddenly
just
like
got those
long legs for days
and
looks really nice.
Really, yeah. It looks amazing. They can wear anything and look amazing in it.
Yeah,
So it's-
absolutely. I'm with you absolutely on this. So, okay, Kiara, अब शो का वो टाइम आ गया है जहाँ पर मेरे गेस्ट मुझसे एक सवाल पूछते हैं. So, you can actually ask me what you want to ask.
Babeology empowered by Bumble.
So since it's all about breaking the ice, I really wanted to ask you, who broke the ice first, you or Saif?
Oh, well, I think you know me. I'm a chatterbox. I love talking and I'm quite like open. So, and Saif's actually quite reserved in a way, like at first. I think especially in female company. At least that's what he projects. But so I had to break the ice first, and yeah, like I was doing all the talking, all the kind of like kind of like being like really chummy and stuff. So he must have wondered like, okay, like what's going on. So I think it was me.
Lucky. He's entertained for life with you around, because I think that's how we all feel when we see you. So
Now I want to know like what diet are you following, and have you been cooking in this lockdown, and like what did you do? Did you learn how to cook like using proper oil and everything?
The Rasoi Se Rishto Tak moment brought to you by Tirupati Edible Oils.
I did. I learned how to cook using no oil even, but then I realized that you need some amount of oil in your body, which I stopped doing. So I think I realized a lot of things that I was doing that was not, the healthiest way, probably. But this lockdown, I think my palate has changed. I've been eating lasagna, and I've been eating things like, even if it's like lasagna or pasta, but in a healthier format, like, getting better ingredients. Or today there's so much available, whether it's gluten-free or dairy-free, but still having all the nutritional value. So
Yeah,
I've enjoyed my food, I think for the first time in my life actually, for about 5 or 6 years without complaining. I enjoyed eating a very simple diet, but now I've added a little tadka to my life, and I've realized that it's just portion control and I can manage it. So now the real task is going to see how I manage to do it on set now. I think post lockdown, the maintenance is going to be everyone's
that
challenge.
is going to be. But listen,
Yeah.
you're looking amazing because you've added a little tadka in your food, like you just said.
That's
I
why.
think that's
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on my show. We've had such a wonderful guest list, and you've just added this, extra feather.
Thank you so much for having me. I've been wanting to come on What Women Want and chatting with you after a year now since Good News.
And hopefully
it's so
we can
lovely to
see
be
each other soon
soon.
after
Yeah.
this pandemic. So take care and
Yes.
thank you, Kiara. Thank you.
Thank you. Lots of love.
हाय गाइस, उम्मीद है आपको फिल्मी मिर्ची पर मेरा शो पसंद आ रहा हो. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू मिस एन एपिसोड, यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब टू फिल्मी मिर्ची एंड हिट द बेल आइकॉन. और हाँ, मैं सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ती हूँ, तो प्लीज डू कमेंट बिलो. एंड ये शो रेडियो पर भी आता है ऑन दीज फ्रीक्वेंसीज.